और सदस्यों के, तो हम आगे उसको फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे स्टेट्स को।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 139 श्री नीरज डांगी। ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर,
of the House.
सप्लीमेंट्री नंबर 1 श्री नीरज डांगी।
के माध्यम से मंत्री महोदय से पूछना चाहूंगा, क्या यह सही है कि एयर इंडिया के निजीकरण के बाद आरक्षित श्रेणी के कर्मचारियों के हितों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए एक समिति का गठन किया गया था? यदि हां, तो अनुसूचित जाति और अनुसूचित जनजाति कर्मचारियों सहित सभी स्थायी कर्मचारियों की सेवानिवृत्ति, अवकाश, नकदीकरण, ग्रेच्युटी, कर्मचारी आवास और पदोन्नति और भर्ती के लिए आरक्षण के संबंध में क्या सुझाव दिए गए हैं? क्या इस समिति द्वारा दिए गए सुझावों पर अमल किया जा रहा है? यदि हां, तो इस संदर्भ में क्या नीतिगत निर्णय लिए गए हैं? धन्यवाद।
ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर।
Honorable Chairman, sir, the Air India was privatized in the year 2022, and when the share purchase agreement happened between the Government of India, which is Air India at that point of time, and also the strategic partner which came out to be Thales, which was wholly owned subsidiary by Tata Group. So when that agreement was made, especially the government in the sense that some of the rights have to be protected for the SCs and STs, it has mentioned, sir, in the share purchase agreement that for a period of 1 year before the closing date, use its best endeavors to provide adequate job opportunities to SCs, STs, persons with disability and socially disadvantaged categories of the society, and to ensure that in the event of reduction in the strength of employees of the company, SCs, STs, persons with disability and socially disadvantaged categories of the society will be terminated last. This was the clause which was put in the share purchase agreement at the time of the sale of Air India, sir. Other than this, there was no committee that was formed. But I'd like to take the attention of this House to a specific affirmative action plan committee, which was actually formed in 2006 with the intention of that how does private sector deal with the reservations. And this was formed in 2006, sir. And at that point of time, the committee constituted of chairman of principal secretary the chairman was principal secretary to the PM then in 2006. And there were secretaries from other ministries which were involved, just like social justice and empowerment, DOPT, tribal affairs and industry policy and promotion. And in the first meeting, this was in the time of 2006. And in the first meeting, it was observed, these are the comments from the first committee meeting that was held, sir. It was stated that the best course for achieving progress on the issue of affirmative action is through voluntary action by the industry itself. This was thought about then only. So the point of getting into the discussion of private sector and the reservations does not arise with this question, sir.
Second supplementary is Neeraj Dangi.
दो, मेरा दूसरा प्रश्न है, वर्ष 2007 में एयर इंडिया और इंडियन एयरलाइंस का विलय हुआ था, जिसके बाद एक नई कंपनी नेशनल एविएशन कंपनी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड बनाई।